Hi everybody, today we're making cookies. So the first step is get butter. We are using this kind. So we need 2 strips. Let's first try how it is. Let's first try it. Yummy. So let's cut it so it melts faster. Let's start cutting it. Not very thick, but thick, like thin, like this. Now, let's make it into small pieces. Are you making a tower out of that? And don't break my tower because I tried on it. When I finished the tower and I don't broke the tower, or I will take your pieces to finish the tower. And now we put the butter into a bowl. Now we need to microwave it. For how much seconds?
So 20 at a time?
20 seconds. Now let's check if it's done. Let's see if it's ready. Now it's definitely ready. When our butter cooled down a little bit, we add 250 grams of brown sugar. In here. Be careful, don't drop the bowl. Oh, pour all of it. Oh, okay. It looks like applesauce, yeah? Mm-hmm. I want to eat up applesauce. I think it's going to be. And now applesauce. We add 100 grams of normal white sugar. So. You should get a stove. Now we mix it again. I can show you guys a life hack how you separate it in an easy way. So you get an empty water bowl, you squish it on the yolk so the yolk like kind of gets in the water bowl, just like that. We separate it. Okay, now let's mix it. tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now let's mix it. Almost perfect. And now we put 350 grams of flour into another bowl. Pour it in. Now, we need 1 tablespoon of baking soda. We added 1 tablespoon of salt. Now, let's mix it. Smells nice. Actually, we need to put the dry ingredients in the wet ingredients. But you can't just dump the whole entire thing into here. So, what we're gonna do is separate it in 3 halves. So let's do. Our mixture's done, so when we pick it up, it'll like form thing that we form it to.
It looks like Play-Doh.
It does.
It looks like brown Play-Doh.
Since we're making chocolate chip cookies, we need chocolate chip. But you can make it with no chocolate chips if you want to.
What is a chocolate chip?
Here comes the funnest part. Chocolate chips. We need 300 grams. We need to put 300 grams of chocolate chip in our cookie dough mix. So I can't mix it with this, so I'll mix it with my hands. You can also mix it with your hands if you want to. Your cookie dough is finished, you put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. When your cookie dough is in the fridge, you could preheat the oven for 350 degrees. And now you could start making your cookies. Make it into a bowl. Roll it like this. And just like that, in a little circle. Let me do it, Sasha.
Alex, you can put it on a tray.
Make sure it's a circle. Like that. Me too.
Amazing.
You could do as much as you want.
actually looks like wooden plates. Maybe I can eat it.
No, don't eat it.
But it's
Well,
cookies.
I already made 4, and you made 0.
Because I don't know how to do it.
Then let's switch.
Okay. Here you go.
You're gonna scoop them up for me.
Ice cream bowl.
Like 4 in a row.
Oh, this
Or
chocolate.
maybe 3 if you have a small pan.
This chocolate fell down. Can I eat it?
No,
Why?
because it's not baked.
Okay, just kidding. Let's smash that.
Give me another one.
Okay, no. This big.
Okay.
Can you do it that big?
Yes.
You already made 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is a lot.
Because it's how old you are. Mom, I think it's gonna be enough for a second tray.
Yep, you're right.
What? This big.
No,
This
just-
big. This big. I'm just kidding.
Like that. Now perfect.
Okay, and now I have big.
No, not the whole entire thing.
Okay. Like this.
No.
Can you do that big? A cookie.
Oh, that's perfect.
Oh yeah, that's actually perfect.
Put this in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes.
Yay.
It smells amazing.
Ooh. It's actually hot.
Homemade cookies! I'm getting the big one.
I'm getting this one.
Okay, I'm getting this big one.
I'm getting this one.
Woo!
And the smallest one for me, please.
This one. This one.